म्हापशेचो भाजपाचो उमेदवार सोमार मेरेन जाहीर करतले. पक्षा मुखार उमेदवारांची नांवां दिल्ली आसा. सोमार मेरेन म्हापशान भाजपाचो उमेदवार कोण हे जाहीर जातले. आरडी एक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Mapsa candidate will be declared by Monday by the central leadership, and we are also taken into confidence by the Goa leadership. I and Glenn Tiklo, since we are the MLAs of Pardesh, and we have told the party to decide on the right candidate. We have also given the name. It will come out on Monday.
You have supported Joshua?
Minority candidate from the.
It's not a question of minority or majority. The right candidate should be given.
A natural justice has to
We
be
have
done.
to get we have to get the seat elected.
Do you think the
So
natural
there are a lot
justice-
of people who have to be taken in confidence, including the Maharashtra, Mapsa Council. Mapsa Council is there. The entire council, they have to be. They had come today to meet the party leadership, and they have already given their say also.
natural
The mandal
justice,
also, Mapsa mandal have given their
natural
say.
justice to veteran of
That is to be decided by the party. I cannot decide on that.
Okay.
As a neighboring MLA, and I have a lot of good friends in Mapsa, I have also given my comments and say on that.